This video is sponsored by Flybird. Use code Nathen for 10% off your entire order. What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon, your fitness instructor, and today we're going to be talking about Flybird, which is going to give you some versatile equipment that you can utilize anywhere, and I mean literally anywhere. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel and also turn on the push notifications. This is going to make sure that you don't miss any of the workout videos that I put out in the near future. Back to Flybird and this bench that I'm going to be talking about, because the bench, if you don't already know, is one of the most versatile pieces of equipment that you can have in the gym or in your home. In the past, you may have noticed people sitting on the bench, leaning on the bench, lifting on the bench, stepping on the bench, jumping on the bench, stretching on the bench, or maybe whatever this is. Yeah, the bench is pretty versatile. That versatility was once made for the gym, but with the Flybird adjustable weight bench, you can bring this bench anywhere. The durable bench is ideal for home gyms, but also for travel. If you are a personal trainer that travels, this can easily fit into your vehicle, giving you space for more items to optimize for your sessions. And speaking of personal trainer who like to travel, this is easy to maneuver from place to place, considering no assembly is required, and it's only about 26 pounds. In 30 seconds or less, you're ready to start your workout. When done, simply fold the bench and slide it into the corner or under your bed for storage. The multifunctional bench has 7 backrest options along with 3 seat options. This will let you get the job done in any angle. The 2-foot pad positions maximize your full body workouts for the incoming gains and also the declining lifts. The 10.6-inch backrest and also the seat is made from a vegan leather. Each lift is also comfortable. It's very sturdy too. I don't see the material cracking anytime soon with all the weight that I put onto it. By the way, this bench can support up to 800 pounds. I don't see myself testing that theory out anytime soon, but from the feel of it, I can definitely tell that it is sturdy and is also, from the looks of it, made from some quality steel. At the recording of this video, I'm around 190 pounds and I'm benching 70 pounds on each arm. And I feel pretty safe and secure. To back that up, when you order using my code Nathen Mixon, you get a 1-year cover from the frame and a 30-day cover on the pads itself. I really like my Flybird adjustable bench when pairing it with my dumbbells. Compound movements are one of the best ways to stay fit and also lose weight, but at the same time, gain crazy amounts of muscle. Having a great bench is one of the key components to those gains. Now, I didn't have an example for you, but you can definitely still slide your bench under a barbell as well. Laying around 18.8 inches is definitely capable of getting the job done. If you're going to purchase a bench in the near future for your home gym, you only want to do it once, and with this adjustable all-in-one Flybird bench, you have that one that you need. This bench is definitely a must-have for your home gym because 1, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and 2, it does not break the bank. You have no idea how many times I had to say that because that's tongue twister. All right. Make sure you stay tuned for future videos because I will be utilizing this bench to create some cool workouts that you can do right at your home. And also use code Nathen for 10% off your entire order. Speaking on that workout, make sure you comment down below your favorite workout utilizing the bench, and I'll put that in my next video. I am Nathen Mixon. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Make sure you look down in the description for more information. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the push notifications, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. It's definitely a must-have for your home gym, and it doesn't take up a lot of space or even break the bank. It doesn't break the bank. Gym, and it doesn't even break the bank.